Hi, I'm Robert F. Kennedy Jr., your HHS secretary. In January, President Trump signed an executive order launching the Great American Recovery Initiative to take on the root causes of our nation's health crisis. Last week, he took another decisive step, signing an executive order to accelerate the research, approval, and responsible access to breakthrough mental health treatments, including psychedelic therapies like ibogaine, to deliver real solutions for Americans with serious mental illness, especially our veterans. Today, we are putting those orders into action. In November, ARPA-H, the innovative engine inside HHS, announced that it will invest more than $100 million to break through long-standing barriers in how we measure, diagnose, and treat mental illness through a bold new initiative called Evident, evidence-based validation and innovation for rapid therapeutics in behavioral health. Now, ARPA-H is awarding $139 million through Evident to fund top applicants and revolutionize how we treat mental health in this country. This investment comes at a critical moment. Nearly half of all Americans will face mental health or behavioral challenges in their lifetime. We now spend more than $140 billion a year on mental health care, more than $100 billion more than we did just 2 decades ago. Yet too often we still cannot tell if a treatment is really working. Doctors are forced to rely on trial and error. Patients cycle from one prescription to the next, and for millions of Americans, those treatments never deliver relief. This is not acceptable, and we are going to change it. Evident will bring precision, speed, and accountability to mental health treatment. It will measure results in real time, identify how effective therapies work in the body, and match the right treatments to the right patients. It will generate the kind of rigorous data the FDA needs to move faster without compromising safety. This includes advancing new approaches, neurostimulation, digital therapeutics, and carefully administered psychedelic therapies, where early evidence show rapid, meaningful improvement for serious mental health illnesses like depression, addiction, and PTSD. Right now, too many of these treatments stall because we lack clear science based standards. Evident will build those standards and move promising therapies out of the labs and into the clinics. We will give doctors better tools, give patients real answers, and deliver measurable results. With Evident, we're closing the gap between scientific promise and real world care and bringing effective treatment within reach for the Americans who need it most.
Produced by the U.S. Department of Health and Human Services.